The Pentacle cube is a relatively complex cube mass-produced by Qiyi shortly after their huge successes of the Clover and Ivy cubes. In this video, I will discuss the worth of this cube and whether it is worth buying. Just like the majority of Qiyi cubes, the Pentacle cube is of a very high quality. The stickers are good and don't chip, and the cube turns very well. The centre circles turn very smoothly, and the 3x3 turns are smooth as long as everything is aligned accurately. The cube is the same size as a 4x4, which I think is right for it. Everything about the cube is what you can expect from a Qiyi cube in terms of hardware. The solving experience of the cube is more of a deciding factor in a Qiyi cube. The Pentacle cube is relatively difficult to solve, as it is not clear how to go about it without a tutorial. If you can solve a 2x2 and a 5x5, you will be able to solve this. You first do the 2x2 pieces on the outside, and then connect the centres up with the 2x2 sides. Then you solve the rest of the cube using your 5x5 skills. The cube takes quite a while to solve, mainly because you have to align everything perfectly to do the 3x3 turns, which makes it take a large amount of time to do the 2x2 section of the cube. The cube is interesting and fun to solve, and a good cube to use for a medium length solve. It is also really satisfying to solve, as the Pentacle cube looks really nice when solved, a lot because of the bright colour scheme on the stickered version. I think this cube is worth getting for most people. It is a mid-range price and mid-complexity cube, which is how pricing should scale. It is of a very high quality and is quite interesting to solve. Overall, it is just very solid in all categories, something only a few non-WCA puzzles are, so I think it is worth getting for anyone looking at buying a relatively complex non-WCA puzzle.